Alright, y'all. Welcome back. Hella early video. Only 7:48. That's because I already took an L on Friday, and unfortunately, it wasn't half loss. I know. I know. It's not because I was greedy or because I didn't, follow my rules. It's because the stop was too big. I only had one con to size, and it was a full size trade. And because of that, unfortunately, I'm gonna miss out on this trade, the better of the trades that I would have taken. And now I'm gonna watch this shit play out in front of my eyes, and I can't do anything about it, which sucks. Um, this is a 5 minute gap flip after we took these highs. I was very bearish on the day. Um, damn. Okay, seeing this play in front, you guys are watching my emotions live. Let me actually change the size of this, and I'm gonna start putting this up here, because it's not in the middle of the fucking chart. Like, this isn't gaming. So it would have been on the top of this ES gap. See, even the only reason I couldn't take this trade was because the stop was too big, and because I had already taken a full size loss. I'm not gonna do that again. A 2R loss on Friday is OD. Like, we're supposed to keep it 0.5 risk on Fridays, so I already stepped my limit by being down 1R. It's like taking two losing trades on a Friday. So I'm gonna hop off. The account balance is, or the account is sitting at 650 in drawdown now. Does it hurt? A little bit, but I know today or this week was a rough week. This is also kind of hurting a little. Seeing my bias play out. I should have waited for a better setup. Honestly, I shouldn't have even entered. As you guys could see, this was my entry off this gap right here, and we never came down to break even. Yes, we technically did, as you could see, right? We got here to entry once, twice. You want to know what happened? I was in the shower. After seeing this, like, I should have entered. I shouldn't have entered. But look, we flipped it. The reason I stayed in it was because we flipped a BPR. Like, I was like, okay, this will still work out. Why did I take this? Because we have SMT. But this was like this. Like, it was looking good. Still very bearish on the day, right? So that's why I was like, okay, you know what? I fucked up right here. Entered a little early. It'll come down. Famous last words. It did not come down. And honestly, here, this would have been my NQ entry off the top of the 5 minute. And see, I wanted a stop, like, above here. But here, look. It's 118 points. So that means minimum, if I was to enter, I'd be in with like 240 risk, which is like a 1R for me. So as much as I want to take this setup, I can't unless I have some like crazy shit like this. As tempting as it is, y'all, I can't do this. I want to do it. The account's in drawdown. Like, boom. Tag in. Limit. Let's see if it's like a 0 drawdown trade. Honestly, it doesn't help by, watching, by seeing what I could have missed out on, And look, like, I could be in this trade. I could be a bitch. I could start crying. Oh my God. But you know what? Like, that's not what a professional trader does, and that's what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to start role-playing as a professional trader so that I could actually start acting like one. That would have been a fire, like, limit, like, imagine, like, the Jay Powell shit, like, you go, boom, stop with a body wick. Oh my God. Run it. Nah, but, yeah, this was a bit of very rushed trade, because I wasn't even technically supposed to enter. I still had conviction in it though. I really thought we were gonna go down, especially after inversing this gap, especially after holding this gap, crazy displacement down. I wasn't too worried. Maybe I should have been. Honestly, the only reason that I was worried was because I was in full size, which was a little unfortunate, a little stressful. But then again, it is 1 hour. Yeah, it's 1 hour on a Friday. But it isn't like I'm crazy oversized. So does this loss hurt? Just a little bit, but I'm gonna take it to the chin and just like it is what it is. Like it's good. I'll be here tomorrow. Or actually, no trading Monday. That's chill. Um, but I'll be back Tuesday. It's a new week. I won't. I don't care about P&L. I don't care about P&L. We're just gonna run this live up slowly but surely. Maybe I'll start sizing down a little. Just getting a little iffy because I'm in drawdown. Yeah, I might switch my sizing a little. Instead of 280, might be 200 now. Might be 250, maybe even 175. I just want to be cautious with the account and keep it alive. But yeah, thank y'all for joining me on this journey. Thank you guys for watching. Like genuinely, like this is my journal. The views definitely help. Like like seeing that stuff definitely motivates me. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna post this anyways, regardless of how many views I get on my last video. Yeah, I want to look back on these. If you guys have any tips about what I should be talking about to make a good journal, so that this is a proper journal for me, let me know, please. And I know I gotta fix the mic. I switched my OBS settings a little, but I'm gonna fix my mic. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed.